everyone, welcome to Tinker Lab at Home Motor Machines. In this video we will see what happens when we mix all the colors. So we know that when white light passes through a prism or raindrops, we can see all the rainbow colors. But what happens if we mix all the colors, right? So we will make a machine with our motor in which we will mix all the colors and also create an illusion. Alright, so let's get started. For this, the materials we need are, of course, the motor bit, we'll need the stand bit, lollipop block, double pop, we need the power source, and we need the small black pulley which you will get in box number 2 here, right? And you also require the 2 double-sided tapes which is again in box number 2, and you will need these 2 discs here, right? These 2 also you can find in box number 2. So let's get started. So as always, we'll begin by fixing the motor. So for this activity we will need a stand. So for that I'll get the double pop, fix the stand bit at the center and insert the lollipop block, and in the lollipop block I'll fix the motor bit. Now as always, for the motor to work we'll need the power source. So let's connect the power source. Now onto the motor bit we'll fix this pulley, right? So let's keep this aside. The next step is we have to fix this disc onto the motor. So how do we do that? Using the double-sided tapes. Now this double-sided tape we have to fix exactly at the center, right? So to know that, what we can do is I'll take a pen and put a small dent here so that I will know where is the center here. So this is my center. I'll have to stick the double-sided tape there. Now let's stick this onto the pulley. So let's switch on and see what happens. So when we switch on the motor, we see all the 7 colors disappearing. Now in similar way, let's repeat the activity with the other disc. So here we have spirals of red and blue, right? So let's switch on the power source and see what happens to this. So here also you see that when we switch on the motor, the colors disappear and we see almost faint white color. Now here we have these 2 wooden discs, right, on which using a sketch pen you can draw your own patterns and fill your own colors, right? So here I'll use the red color. Once you color this as you want, you can attach this pulley onto the back using a double-sided tape and fix this onto the motor and play with this.